Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, back with me. Okay, so today we're gonna learn about invisible button, which you can apply in website banner. Okay, so this is the example of website banner that has invisible button. Okay, so this is an example, a simple banner of Wonderful Indonesia page. You can see that around this area, the cursor changed to a click function. But when I'm outside this area, it's gonna be back to normal. Okay, so let's say I wanna make the user to click on the page that I intend for them to click without full awareness or full conscience. Okay, so it can just happen accidentally. Alright, so voila, I am directing them to adobe.com. Okay, so you can just intend and direct your user to go anywhere you want to by using this invisible button. Okay, you cannot see any button there, right? So let's do it. How to make it? Okay, firstly, we're gonna go with this window as usual, create new file and go to the web, because we're gonna make web banner, and you can go with medium size. For now it's not so essential thing. Okay, fit in window. Okay, let's say I wanna make the same thing, which is a Wonderful Indonesia banner, the simple one. Okay, so I'm gonna Control R on your keyboard to make the first image, which is Wonderful Indonesia logo, and I want to make this rectangle. You can just go with 0. Okay, alright. And we are all set now for background. Okay, then we have to insert the new symbol, which is go to insert new symbol, or you can just press F8 on your keyboard. Okay, name it invisible button. Okay. Okay, in the hit one, why we have to click on the hit one? Because we want to make it when they are around the area and when they click. Okay, so that's the function of the hit. So we insert a blank keyframe here because we want to draw the area. Okay, let's just say I want to make the area is this area. Okay, this rectangle gonna be the area of my invisible area in the banner. Okay, so go back to the scene 1 just by clicking on the scene 1. Okay, so you have this automatically on your properties when you have the invisible button. Just drag to here. It's gonna be a blue because it's invisible. Okay, yes, put it around Wonderful Indonesia. Okay, and to make the user go to the website that we intend to So we have to make an action, which is just by pressing your F9 on your keyboard. Okay, go to the code snippets, WebGL, actions, and click to go to web page. Okay, so we have this, and we can just change this to, for example, I want it to be the wonderful Indonesia page, probably. Okay, so this is the page. You can just copy and paste in our Animate. Okay, it's not copied. I don't think I can copy this. Okay, can copy and paste. Alright. Okay, so this is the page where a user gonna go when they click around the invisible area. Right, then just Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. Okay, we're gonna have this, and when we click around here, you can see it's gonna be a click function, but when it's outside, it's gonna be a different function. So let's just click here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Tara, we have the page that we put just now in the action, where it's about Indonesia travel. Alright, so I think that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.